Financial authorities plan to file charges next week against Bang Si-hyuk, chairman of HYBE, South Korea's largest entertainment company, for alleged stock fraud. Recent suspicions claim he gained illicit profits of 400 billion won during HYBE's IPO. Reporter Kook Young-ho brings us the details of the situation.
Bang Si-hyuk, the chairman of HYBE, which saw explosive growth thanks to BTS, is under suspicion for fraudulent and unfair trading under the Capital Markets Act.
We're outside HYBE's headquarters in Yongsan-gu, Seoul. HYBE's market value is about 11 trillion won, and Chairman Bang's stock is worth 4 trillion won, ranking him 5th in the country last week. Financial authorities are now investigating possible problems with HYBE's listing process.
Around the time of the IPO in 2020, Chairman Bang reportedly made a deal with a private equity fund, established by an acquaintance to receive over 30% of the profits from the sale of shares related to the listing. However, investors holding HYBE shares were told there was no plan to pay them back, and they were pressured to sell their shares to that private equity fund. Shareholders trusted this and sold their shares, but it is reported that Chairman Bang received about 400 billion won from the profits the private equity fund made by selling those shares after the listing. Last month, after he was summoned for questioning about these allegations, the financial authorities decided to file a complaint against Chairman Bang, finalizing it on the 16th. In response, HYBE stated that the listing at the time was conducted in full compliance with laws and regulations and that they will thoroughly explain and prove this.
It might be considered market manipulation, which could violate the Capital Markets Act. If the amount exceeds 5 billion won, the legal penalty could be life imprisonment or at least 5 years in prison.
If existing investors who sold their shares before the listing claim they were misled by Chairman Bang and suffered financial losses, it could potentially lead to a lengthy legal battle over compensation and damages. MBN News, Kook Young-ho.